Hi there, this lesson is a continuation of data types. Bool data type. A Boolean data type can only have two values. True or false. This data type is represented by bool. We can use bool type variables or values true and false to manipulate logical, Boolean, expressions. They are logical values. The words bool, false and true are reserved words. Char data type. Data type char is the smallest integral data type. It is used for single characters, letters, digits, and special symbols. Each character is enclosed in single quotes. A blank space is a character, written with a space left between the single quotes. Char data type. Different character datasets exist. ASCII. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Each of 128 values in ASCII code set represents a different character. Characters have a predefined ordering based on the ASCII numeric value. Collating sequence. Ordering of characters based on the character set code. Floating point data types. The floating point data type is a family of data types that act alike and differ only in the size of their domains, the allowable values. The floating point family of data types represents number values with fractional parts. C++ uses scientific notation to represent real numbers, floating point notation. Examples of decimal numbers in scientific and C11 floating point notations. Floating point data types. Float represents any real number. Range -3.4 multiplied by 10 to the power 38 to 3.4 multiplied by 10 to the power 38, 4 bytes. Double represents any real number. Range 1.7 multiplied by 10 to the power 308 to 1.7 multiplied by 10 to the power 308, 8 bytes. Minimum and maximum values of data types are system dependent. Floating point data types. Maximum number of significant digits, decimal places, for float values. 6 or 7. Maximum number of significant digits for double. 15. Precision. Maximum number of significant digits. Float values are called single precision. Double values are called double precision. Data types, variables, and assignment statements. To declare a variable, must specify its data type. Syntax rule to declare a variable is data type identifier. Examples include int counter, double interest rate, char grade. Assignment statement has the form variable equal to expression. Example: interest rate equal to 0.05. That is all for this lesson. Please share your thoughts on the comments section below on where I can improve. If this benefits you in any way, please subscribe, like and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. See you on the next lesson and thank you for watching.